Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of force point spending over the reinforced formed concrete beam, and we used a steel bar inside the steel bar and a strip inside the concrete. The concrete material here is made by the normal concrete mixed by the palm oil ash and eggshell. This is a new type of concrete, and it is so lighter, and the ductility of this concrete is more than the normal concrete. But the compression strength reduces in this way in this model. And you can see here under the bending the uh, tensile damage or tension damage, the plastic strain, plastic equivalent strain, the displacement, stiffness degradation. You can see here the stiffness degradation happen in this concrete. And let me just now hold the concrete and check the stress for that. This is the stress. And now let me to remove the concrete and check the beam or bar and strips inside it. Okay, and another important thing is the force displacement diagram. You can see it is the force displacement diagram. The maximum capacity is around 140 kilonewton, and after that we have decrease in the stiffness and the degradation happen, and here is a failure zone here. And if you need this tutorial and modeling the concrete, light concrete, the concrete mixed by palm oil, fuel ash, and eggshell, the new material type, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com. In our website there are many English tutorials. They are provided for English users and you can use them. Click on the title over sign. This is continue, and then you will have a short explanation about the process and the geometry here, and then the material method and the material ingredients. And after that, the result here. You can see the result here, and at the end, there are three important points. The file contains CAIMP and English video file step by step, and the cost is $32 if you have Bitcoin to compare it with that. If you haven't, you can use PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.